Have you ever faced crop damage and felt unsure about how to claim insurance? The process can seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of intimating crop insurance under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, PMFBY. Stick around to discover how to secure your claim within just 72 hours. Hello and welcome to Discover Agriculture, your go-to channel for reliable farming insights. Today, we are tackling an important topic: how to intimate crop insurance under PMFBY. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to report crop loss and ensure your claim is processed quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. When crop damage occurs, quick action is essential. Under the PMFBY scheme, farmers must notify the insurance company within 72 hours of the damage. This ensures your claim is eligible and processed without delays. Common risks covered: prevented sowing due to adverse weather, crop loss from drought, floods, or pests during the growing season, post-harvest damage due to cyclones or unseasonal rains, losses caused by localized calamities like hailstorms or landslides. All farmers must ensure that these risks are covered under state notification. Since scheme is implemented by the state, farmers should ensure checking their state notification for risks covered. When not to give crop loss intimation during mid-season adversity, since it is declared by the state government. Check state notification if your state covers mid-season adversity. Farmers have multiple options to report their losses. Here's what you can do. 1. Through the PMFBY mobile app. Download the official app Google App Store, Android only. Fill in details like the affected crop, acreage, and location. Submit photos and documents to support your claim. 2. Via centralized toll-free number 14447. Call the toll-free number. Provide your policy details, crop information, and the extent of damage. You can also visit the local branch or call the insurer's toll-free number or contact your bank or the district agriculture office. Ensure you provide all necessary details, such as evidence of loss and crop information. 3. Essential documents for claim processing. To ensure a smooth process, keep the following documents ready: your insurance policy details or premium payment receipt, survey number-wise crop and acreage details, evidence of crop loss, like photographs or newspaper clippings. Pro tip: provide clear and accurate information to avoid delays in claim approval. Once your claim is filed, here's what happens next. 1. Loss assessment. A loss assessor will evaluate the damage in collaboration with government officials. For severe mid-season losses, claims are processed based on an area approach using crop cutting experiments, CCE, data. 2. Claim settlement. Claims are usually disbursed within 30 days of the government's damage notification or after the final assessment. 3. Special cases. For prevented sowing, up to 25% of the insured amount may be paid upfront. Post-harvest losses are covered for up to 14 days after harvest for crops left to dry. Intimating crop insurance under PMFBY is simple if you act quickly and follow the right steps. By notifying within 72 hours and providing accurate details, you can protect your livelihood and recover from losses effectively. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, comment, and share it with fellow farmers. Subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more insights that empower your farming journey. See you in the next video. Stay informed and keep growing.